everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to today's video. We are making a super easy cold poo. Yeah, easy healthy snack. We nanimeanza hivyo Jesus. We moment of silence. We are making oven baked plantain, but we are going to make them two ways, sweet and savory. That's what we're going to do today. The recipe is from Creative in My Kitchen by Claudia. That's where I got this recipe from. So welcome to today's video and let's see what we are working with. This is all we have today: 2 plantains, some cinnamon and salt, and then olive oil. I've already washed my plantain, so I want to peel and slice. Oh, now why are you misbehaving? Why? Hizi ni mawots. Now let's slice our plantain. Thinly slice, see, like that. So our first bunch, the savory chips, we're going to put them in a bowl. Then we pour some olive oil. So we are going to make sure that each side is evenly coated with the oil. And once we are done, we're going to arrange the slices on our baking sheet. And we ensure that they don't overlap. No overlapping over here. Yeah. Let's start over there. One by one. So I'm going to bake these ones first for around 10 to 20 minutes. Thinner slices will be ready in 10 minutes, while thicker ones in about 20 minutes. So let's see. I think mine are thin, but let's see. We're going to let them cool for around 5 minutes. Let them cool together over there. As they cool, we arrange the ones that were left over here. They're so crunchy. After they have cooled for 5 minutes, now we sprinkle some salt. And there you have it. So let's go to the sweets. The process is the same. We start by slicing our sweet potato. Not sweet potato. Why am I saying sweet potato? Our plantain. I peeled this plantain the same time I peeled the other one, and it has not discolored. I applied some olive oil on top evenly when I did what? When I peeled it. So that one has made it stay clean. For the sweet chips, we are going to use some coconut oil. So we are going to make sure that you've evenly coated them with some coconut oil. Then you arrange on a baking tray. We are going to bake them again for 10 minutes. The first one I baked for 10 minutes. So also this one I'm going to bake for 10 minutes. Once they're out, the recipe says that we sprinkle it with cinnamon while they are still warm. Look at these beauties. They look so nice. They are golden, very crispy, and smells amazing. Let's give them a try. The savory or the sweet? Let's start with the sweet. They smell amazing. I'm going to finish everything while I'm tasting. Let's go to the which one was this? So the sweet. Let's go to the savory. They taste really nice. I can't choose between the two which one I prefer. I just love all of them. So that's it for today, guys. If you loved baked plantain chips, give this recipe a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. So bye bye and God bless. And God bless as we continue to eat.